Hey guys, welcome back. This is another unboxing video. It's specifically a Pokemon one. Let's open it up. See what we have in here. I've never gotten just a straight Pokemon one, so I have no clue what's in here. Wait, don't tell me that. What is this? Oh, a mini Pokemon one, Pokecard holder. Holy shit, that's actually pretty cool. I might use that soon, to be honest. And what we got here? Oh, a tinier one. Oh, it's specifically Squirtle / Blastoise. Oh my god, that's freaking amazing. That's actually pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I like it. What's this? I don't know what this is. Another Pokecard holder. Sorry guys, I'm recording with one hand. But yes, another Pokecard holder. Oh shit, is it just Pokemon holder shit? Oh. And a couple of coins. Oh shit. They look cool. And then a Squirtle Charmander band. Actually, that's pretty damn cool. And then a Mew pencil. Or a Detective Pikachu pencil. Oh shit. And some Pokemon cards. Oh shit, a double Pokemon card. I will go through these soon enough. Just be patient with me, guys. Oh, mini Pokemon figure. Yeah, I got a Mudkip, Coughing, Blastoise, and a Happiny, plus Pikachu and Bulbasaur bands as well. Holy shit, guys. And, oh, there's one more thing. A Scorbunny pin. Hey guys, sorry, due to technical difficulties, I won't be able to show you guys the cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more unboxing videos, I'll try to make more of them. Hope to see you guys in the next episode of whatever I do. See y'all later. Like, comment, and subscribe.